Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now explain important model. If the given integral is of the form integral b plus a sin x by a plus b sin x whole square. Okay. So what is the working rule? Divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. This is working rule. Okay. So then take a secant x plus b tan x equal to t. Okay. Next, if the integral is of the form integral b plus a cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Okay. Now working rule is divide sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. Divide sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So let us take a cot x, a cosecant x plus b cot x is equal to t. If this integration is in the form b plus a sin x by a plus b sin x whole square. Okay. Now divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. If the integration is in the form b plus a cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Now dividing sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. If this integration having sine function, divide cos square x. If this integration having cosine function, we should divide sin square x. Okay, now explain question number 1 from this model. Integral 2 sin x plus 5 by 2 plus 5 sin x whole square. Okay. In this integration having sine function. So divide. This should divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So integral 2 sin x by cos square x into cos x plus 5 by cos square x dx upon 2 plus 5 sin x whole square by cos square x. Okay, it will going to be 2 sin x by cos x, we get tan x, 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x plus 5 into secant square x dx upon, so we have a square by b square equal to a by b whole square. Okay. So this is 2 plus 5 sin x whole square by cos square x. This is nothing but 2 by cos x plus 5 sin x by 2 by cos x plus 5 sin x by cos x whole square. Okay. So 2 by cos x. 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x. Sin by cos x tan x. It will going to be 2 tan x into secant x plus 5 secant square x dx upon, so it will be 2 secant x plus 5 tan x whole square. Okay. Okay, this continuation. So let us take 2 secant x plus 5 tan x is t. 2 secant x plus 5 tan x equal to t. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So two constant, differentiation of secant x, we get secant x tan x plus 5 times of differentiation of tan x. We have secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. If 2 secant x plus 5 tan x is t, then numerator will be dt. 5 secant square x plus 2 tan x secant x. So dt by t square, this is nothing but minus 1 by t. Minus 1 by, in the place of t, this should write 2 secant x plus 5 tan x. Okay. So it will going to be minus 1 by 2 into secant x. So 1 by cos x, 2 by cos x, 5 sin x by cos x. It will going to be, what is, let us do LCM cos x, this cos x multiply with minus 1 minus cos x upon 2 plus 5 sin x. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So integral 3 plus 2 cos x by 2 plus 3 cos x whole square. This is the same model. So in denominator, numerator having cosine functions. So divide. This is in the form of b plus a cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Okay, what is the working rule? Divide sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, it will going to be 3 by sin square x plus 2 cos x by sin square x dx upon 2 plus 3 cos x whole square, 2 plus 3 cos x whole square by sin square x. Now it will going to be 3 into 1 by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x. 2 into cos, 1 cos x by sin x is cot x. 1 by sin x is cosecant x. Upon 2 plus 3 cos x whole square by sin square x. This is nothing but 2 by sin x plus 3 cos x by sin x whole square. Okay. So 2 by sin x. This is 2 cosecant x plus 3 cot x. So integral 3 cosecant square x plus 2 cot x into cosecant x dx upon, so it will be 2 cosecant x plus 5 cot x, 3 cot x whole square. Okay, we have got this value. So let us take 2 cosecant x plus 3 cot x equal to t. So let us take 2 cosecant x plus 3 cot x equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So derivative on both sides. So 2 constant, differentiation of cosecant x, we get minus cosecant x into cot x. 3 constant, differentiation of cot x, we have minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. Okay, in this one minus 1 take out common, minus of 2 cosecant x into cot x plus 3 cosecant square x into dx equal to dt. Okay, therefore 2 cosecant x cot x plus 3 cosecant square x dx, it will be minus dt. Okay, so now if denominator 2 cosecant x plus 3 cot x is t, then numerator will be minus dt by t square. So minus 1 constant, integral dt by t square is nothing but minus 1 by t. integral dt by t square value minus 1 by t. Minus into minus plus 1 by, in the place of t, we should write this value 2 cosecant x plus 3 cot x plus c. Where cosecant x formula write 1 by sin x, cot x write cos by sin. Okay. So 1 by 2 by sin x plus 3 into cos x by sin x. So let us do LCM. Sin x is LCM. Sin x into 1 sin x by 2 plus 3 cos x. So this is answer. Let us go to the next model. Integral tan x plus secant x to the power n into secant square x dx. Okay. So let us take tan x plus secant x equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. So differentiation of tan x, we get secant square x. Differentiation of secant x, it will be secant x into tan x dx is equal to dt. Okay. In this one, secant x take out common. Secant x plus tan x dx is equal to dt. Now, so tan x plus secant x equal to t. So this is nothing but secant x plus tan x t. That and plus secant x minus tan x, it will be 1 by t. The secant x plus tan x, secant x minus tan x, both are reciprocals. Okay, let us do adding. First we have to find secant x value. So 2 secant x equal to t plus 1 by t. Therefore secant x equal to 1 by 2 times of t plus 1 by t. Okay. So what is the statement? Integral tan x plus secant x. This place in, we should write t to the power n. Secant square x. Secant square x can be written as secant x into secant x dx. So one secant x place in, we should write one value. Okay. So other secant x place in, we should write secant x dx is equal to dt by secant x plus tan x value t. Okay. So it will going to be integral t to the power n into one secant x place in, we should write 1 by 2 times of t plus 1 by t. The secant x dx value, we have got dt by t. Okay. We have got 1 by 2 times of this value, 1 by 2 times of integral t to the power n by t to the power 1. It will be t to the power n minus 1 into t plus 1 by t into dt. So 1 by 2 times of, so t to the power n minus 1 multiply to all, t to the power n minus 1 into t. Integral t to the power n minus 1 plus 1. Integral t to the power n minus 1 into 1 by t. T to the power n minus 1 minus 1. 1 get cancelled, 1 by 2 times of integral t to the power n is nothing but t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This t to the power n minus 2. N minus 2 plus 1 by, right, n minus 2 plus 1 plus 6. So 1 by 2 times of, in the place of t, we should write secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it will be secant x plus tan x power n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus. This is the answer. Okay, moving to next model. So integral root under cos x minus cos cube x by 1 minus cos cube x. Okay, now moving to next model. So integral root under cos x minus cos cube x by 1 minus cos cube x dx. Okay. So integral root under 1 cos x take out common, 1 minus cos square x dx by 1 minus cos cube x. It will going to be integral root cos x into root under 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin x. by 1 minus cos cube x. So cos cube x can be written as cos to the power 3 by 2x whole square. Okay, cos cube x, it can be written as cos to the power 3 by 2 whole square. So let us take cos to the power 3 by 2x is equal to t. So now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of cos x to the power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 times of cos x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of cos x, we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, 3 by 2 times of cos x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but cos x to the power 1 by 2 root cos x into minus sin x dx. Okay, minus equal to dt. So root cos x into sin x dx. The statement will be root cos x into sin x dx upon root under 1 minus cos to the power 3 by 2x whole square integral. Okay, root cos x into sin x dx. It will be root cos x into sin x dx. Root cos x into sin x dx, it will be, okay, minus 2 dt by 3. Minus 2 dt by 3. So minus 2 dt by 3 times of root under 1 minus cos to the power 3 by 2x. Okay, equation we should write t square. So minus 2 by 3 constant. Integral dt by root under 1 minus t square is nothing but sin inverse t. So minus 2 by 3 times of sin inverse. In the place of t, we should write cos to the power 3 by 2x. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.